to get started, the reason we have grab bags. So if there is ever like a damaged roll on the first couple layers, we'll cut off the damage and the rest of the roll is going to be short, the length. So we cut that up into grab bags. Or if a roll gets cut a little too short, like 11.5 inches or 11 inches instead of 12, we'll cut the rest of that roll up and put it in a grab bag. Or when we get like the huge rolls after they're cut down, if it doesn't easily go into our process, those will get thrown into the scrap pile and cut down for grab bags. So it's a very usable product. It's just the sizing's off a little bit, or on the roll if it got dented, we cut off the part that's damaged and you guys get the goods from it. So let's go into what is in a grab bag. So I'm going to open one up, and they come in this packaging. And I'm going to show you. So it's got a little explanation on the front of why we have grab bags, and thanks for getting one. We only have so many of these a week. So sometimes we have a whole bunch, and sometimes they go super fast. So sometimes they're sold out in 15 minutes, and sometimes we have them the next morning. So this is a sample of what's in a grab bag. These are $5, and as you can see, there's a ton of vinyl in here. We've got a mix of heat transfer and a mix of adhesive. So I'm just gonna go through what you get. This looks like it's about a 6 by 12 inch piece of glitter heat transfer. And then we've got this piece, it's probably 4 or 5 inches by 12 of Easyweed heat transfer. This is also Easyweed. So a way to tell the difference between Easyweed or heat transfer and adhesive is heat transfer has a plastic, adhesive has a paper fill on the back. So if it's adhesive, looks like these are all adhesive, and this is a heat transfer because it's got a plasticky. So you just feel it and see if it feels like it's plastic or paper to know. So it looks like we've got some, here's another piece of adhesive. This is a piece of strip lock. So there's tons of different options in here. This is a brand new color we just brought on, and it looks like the edge got a little crinkled. Still totally usable, but you get to play with it. Let's see what else we've got in here. This is a full piece of heat transfer. So that alone is like $4, I think, depending on if you got it on sale or not. And this whole grab bag is $5. So it's a really good deal. It's a great way to try out different types of vinyl if you've always wanted to try the glitter and see how it would cut. This is a great sheet to practice on. These are great if you want to just mess around with your cut settings and see what works good. Just scrap pieces. Let your kids play. If your kids want to figure out your machine, give them a scrap piece and let them play. Or you can make a project. This piece of heat transfer, you could make a whole t-shirt, like a big design of a t-shirt with it. So there's lots of different options you can do.